American dollar is strengthening across the board. It has every chance of ending this week at a two-month high. Following the ECB monetary policy meeting, market participants have shifted the attention to the Federal Reserve and the GDP data from the United States. Yesterday, the European Central Bank provided less dovish statements than expected, which was softened worries of market participants to some extent. However, some traders who hoped to witness the monetary policy easing were disappointed by the fact that the bank had not introduced any adjustments. The euro has managed to recover its losses and today it is steady. At the same time, the US dollar index has gained solid ground against its major counterparts approaching 98 mark. Traders no longer expect aggressive easing of the monetary policy by the Federal Reserve. They have revised their expectations amid the macroeconomic report that saw the light on Thursday. It showed that the durable goods orders increased in the United States. Today, the US GDP data is scheduled for release, but traders are likely to pay more attention to the consumer spending statistics that can provide a clear picture of the economic conditions in the country. The American currency was seen to be trading near two-week high of 108.63 against the Japanese yen. If the pair holds above this level, then a bullish trend is likely to be formed. More and more experts are inclined to believe that the Federal Reserve does not actually need a full cycle of the monetary policy easing. Probably a rate cut of 0.25% will be a one-off measure. This way, the US financial watchdog will be able to offset an excessive rate hike of later last year. Meanwhile, the Bank of Japan does not have urgent monetary loosening on its agenda, but the bank's officials have been discussing this option lately. It seems that the Australian dollar will enter this week in the red zone. In early deals, the AUD-USD pair was trading near 0.6943. There is little chance that it will manage to recover losses today, while the outlook for the third and the fourth quarters has been downgraded to 0.68. The sentiment of Aussie buyers worsened amid comments from the Reserve Bank of Australia. Governor Philip Lowe has made it pretty clear that the monetary policy is to be loosened further. Moreover, the bank is likely to take measures as early as in October, not in November. The leading indicators signal deterioration of the economic conditions in Australia. By October, the unemployment rate is expected to come short of the RBA expectations. At the same time, a fall in the AUD-USD pair can be limited in the nearest future if the Federal Reserve reduced its interest rate. You're watching Market News on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals.